Welcome to today's video about new AZ-802, Administering Windows Server Exam Prep. Introduction of AZ-802 Administering Windows Server Exam. Target audience: Windows Server professionals. AZ-802 exam skills domains. Essential steps to ensure certification success. 1. An administrator notices that users cannot create new objects in Active Directory after a domain controller failure. The failed server owns the RID master role. What should the administrator do? A. Reinstall Active Directory on all domain controllers. B. Transfer or seize the FSMO role to another domain controller. C. Delete the failed domain controller object only. D. Disable replication permanently. 2. A company has applications running in Azure and on-premises. Users need to resolve DNS names across both environments. Which solution should be configured? A. DNS forwarding and conditional forwarding. B. DHCP reservation only. C. BitLocker encryption. D. SMB compression. 3. An administrator needs to configure a security setting for all Windows Server computers in a domain. What should the administrator use? A. Hyper-V checkpoint. B. Azure Storage Account. C. Group Policy Object, GPO. D. DHCP reservation. 4. An administrator needs to manage Windows Server machines from Azure Portal without directly connecting through remote desktop. Which technology should be used? A. Windows Admin Center in Azure. B. File Server Resource Manager. C. Hyper-V Replica. D. DNS Manager. 5. An organization wants to automatically manage and rotate local administrator passwords on Windows Server computers. Which solution should be implemented? A. Hyper-V Replica. B. SMB over Quick. C. Azure Monitor. D. Windows Lapse. 6. A company runs AI workloads on Hyper-V virtual machines. Multiple VMs need access to GPU resources. Which Hyper-V feature should be configured? A. VM checkpoint. B. GPU partitioning. C. Dynamic DNS. D. Storage replica. 7. A company wants to replicate Hyper-V virtual machines from a primary site to a secondary disaster recovery site. Which feature should be used? A. DFS namespace. B. Azure File Sync. C. Hyper-V Replica. D. Storage COS. 8. A company wants to migrate traditional Windows file shares to Azure while keeping local file server access. Which technology should be used? A. Azure Bastion. B. Storage Spaces Direct. C. Hyper-V Replica. D. Azure File Sync. 9. An administrator wants to collect performance metrics and analyze server resource usage over time. Which Windows Server tool should be used? A. Active Directory users and computers. B. Performance monitor and data collector sets. C. Disk cleanup. D. DNS manager. 10. Users receive authentication failures when accessing domain resources. The administrator suspects Kerberos problems. Which tool or area should be investigated? A. Kerberos authentication configuration and event logs. B. Azure file sync status. C. Storage COS policies. D. Hyper-V checkpoint settings. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.